Hi everyone, for those that have seen my earlier videos on the track pieces made by Davinci Enterprises, these were going to be laid on my brindle block circuit in the garden. However, I discovered a couple of small areas where the track was unsupported due to my original circle not being true. Rather than just put some extra packing underneath in certain places, I'm in the process of putting an extra ring with these brindle blocks on the sides just to reduce the overall diameter, so that when I've done that complete ring, the Davinci track pieces will sit entirely on the blocks and give a firm support. Watch this space or my channel for further developments. Most of these brindle blocks I've glued with stick saw and then clamped with these Aldi clamps, which works very well. In locations where the clamp won't go behind, I've just glued and rested another brick to press these in place while the stick saw sets. This is the kind of stuff sets hard in 24 hours, grips pretty fast. Bit more progress now, almost all the inner ring of blocks are on. Just got a few more bricks to put in, one complete brick and a few small pieces, and then I'll be able to test the portable track on top. So I've got the inner ring of brindle blocks all applied now, and we're ready to start laying the temporary track outside to test it. So I've got all the track laid, the sleepers aren't connected, but you can see from this aerial view why I needed the extra ring of bricks, because there's a couple of small areas where it's only just supported with the renewed layer of bricks. Probably about 4 locations there. I've got 12 pieces here. I've carried them out 3 pieces at a time, and I've been able to clip this together in less time than I've had the bath running, so it's gone together very well, and hope to do some running very shortly. The fish plates took a little longer to set up, they're quite stiff gripping, so might have to investigate getting some different ones or cliff steel ones. So I'd like to give a big thanks to Vlastimil Davinci Enterprises for enabling me to make this new track, which is a semi-permanent track at my home, but also able to go on tour. If other gauge 3 modelers fancy the same thing, or even just a few sections, please get Vlastimil to make your sections with the same joiner, and therefore other members can all join up tracks together in a modular form. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you very much.